Team one short bus. This is the short bus.
Moment of truth, guys.
Team one leader.
Truth.
Team one leader.
Let's smoke.
Team one co-captain.
It will do.
It will not. We can't tell if it's going to smoke.
Wow, that's a good crank. Yeah. Solid crank. All right, hang on. Let me get some oil. Pressure here. All right, we're definitely going to need the jump pack. We're definitely going to need it. Let's just hook it up. Good for at least the 2 engines we got to do. It's cranking really good. That means it's well.
Team one.
Yeah.
Team one short bus. Or not. Hear that?
Oil pressure came right up.
Yeah.
It's good. That's probably the best crank so far.
Yeah.
That's crank team one.
Yeah, he said it to us too. Come on, Mary, you're a liar.
He said so far. So far.
Oh, no.
So far, yeah.
Oh, our throttle bar is messed up. Guys, we can't run this. Look, you bent your throttle body. I know that wasn't like that.
That's what happened when you flipped over.
Yeah, let's get,
That wasn't like that.
it wasn't like that.
Ready?
Clear! Clear! What is that?
Smoking like a bitch.
Methanol!